If you've ever wondered how to install a template in Practice Better, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through the process step by step so you can get your templates set up fast and without any hassle. First off, let's talk about why templates are such a game changer in Practice Better. Whether you're a coach, therapist, or wellness professional, templates help you save time by automating the creation of common documents, forms, or client plans. This can free you up to focus on more important things, like working with your clients. Next thing, let's dive into actually installing a template in Practice Better. To begin, you'll need to be logged into your account. From the dashboard, go ahead and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Now, under Templates, you should see the option to either create a new template or import one. Now, if you're importing a template, all you need is the file on your computer. Click on the Import button, find your file, and it'll be uploaded into the system. The process is pretty straightforward, but make sure that the template you're importing is compatible with the platform. I'll get into the kind of templates Practice Better works best with in just a second. The fourth thing you want to know is how to customize those templates after they're installed. Once your template is uploaded, you can go ahead and edit it to match your exact needs. Whether it's adding client-specific details or tweaking the layout, the flexibility here is great. Just keep in mind that Practice Better's template editor might not be as intuitive or feature-packed as other platforms, especially if you're used to something more complex. Next up, if you want to apply the template to a client, just go to their profile, select Add Template, and choose the one you've just set up. You can either send it as a document or as part of their client journey, making it super easy to manage. One more thing to note, while Practice Better is a solid choice for managing your practice, there are other platforms out there that might be a better fit depending on your goals. For instance, if you're looking for deeper customization or more advanced integrations, you might want to consider exploring other options that also offer free trials. Now, before we wrap up, I want to make sure you know about a special offer we've secured for you. If you decide to try out Practice Better, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial by using our link below. But don't leave just yet. We've also included some amazing alternatives that could be better suited for your needs, with their own free trials included. So whether you stick with Practice Better or explore the alternatives, you'll get the best free trials and exclusive benefits through our link. You won't find a better deal anywhere else.